A contractor once accepted a simple project, build a small community hall in 6 months. But a single missing activity in the plan, just one, delayed the entire project by 82 days, doubled labor cost, and forced the contractor into debt. The building wasn't the problem. The planning was. This is why construction planning and management is considered the brain of modern civil engineering. All lectures in this Civil Engineering Master Series are available on the Learning Studio for students who want clear, fast, exam-ready concepts with zero fluff. 1. What construction planning and management really is. It's the science of planning, scheduling, executing, and controlling construction projects. If structural engineering tells you what to build, construction management tells you how, when, and at what cost. This subject is not just theory. It's the difference between a profitable project and a disaster. And in exams, CPM, PERT, and estimation appear every single year. Number 2, CPM, Critical Path Method. CPM is the backbone of planning. It identifies the longest path of activities, the path that decides the total project duration. Key exam points: activity, event, network, ES, early start, EF, early finish, LS, late start, LF, finish, float, free total. Critical path equals zero float. One mistake students make, they think CPM is about diagrams. It's not. It's about time control, speeding up critical activities, delaying non-critical ones, and optimizing manpower. 3. PERT, Program Evaluation and Review Technique. PERT is built for uncertainty, when activity duration is not fixed. For exams, remember optimistic time to pessimistic time, TP, most likely time, TM. T equals plus 4 TM plus TP, war 6. Standard deviation and variance. If CPM is about tight control, PERT is about probability. Modern megaprojects, metros, dams, airports, use PERT when delays are unpredictable due to weather, supply chain, or political constraints. 4. Estimation and costing. No project moves without money. Estimation predicts the quantities, materials, labor, and total cost required. Core exam items, types of estimates: preliminary, detailed, revised. BOQ, Bill of Quantities, rate analysis, material calculation, cement, brickwork, concrete, plaster. Why this matters: if your estimate is wrong, your project is already a failure before the foundation is even dug. 5. Why this subject is critical. Construction planning and management is where engineering meets strategy. It teaches you how to finish projects on time, how to save cost without compromising quality, how to control labor, machinery, and resources, how to avoid delays and disputes, how to manage teams and deadlines. These are real-world skills that decide promotions, salaries, and project success. Next, we'll break down building construction and technology, from excavation to finishing. Follow the Learning Studio for more crisp, exam-focused civil engineering lectures and be a part of the global education movement by sharing this series with your peers.